In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a static Miro board YouTube. We'll start in Miro by creating a fresh board. Before placing anything, zoom out so you can see a wide canvas. Planning your spacing first is what keeps the design clean later. Imagine the board as a page layout, not a dumping ground. Decide where major sections will live and leave generous white space between them. Next, set up frames to act like sections on a website. Press the F key and draw frames for the main parts of your workflow. For a YouTube-focused board, create areas for content ideas, scripts, production, schedule, and analytics. Label each frame clearly so collaborators always know where things belong. Frames also make exporting and presenting super tidy. Now choose a simple color palette and stick to it. Limit yourself to 2 to 4 colors. A great formula is a light beige or white background, a primary color for text like black or dark gray, and one soft pastel accent such as blue, green, or pink. Consistency equals aesthetic, so reuse the same colors across shapes, text, and icons. You can even park tiny color swatches in a corner to keep them handy. Establish a clear type hierarchy. Use bold, larger text for headings and smaller, simpler text for body content. Keep the number of fonts and styles low so everything feels cohesive. Set one size for headers and one for regular notes. Then repeat that pattern across the board. Add clean shapes and cards to structure information. Rounded rectangles with minimal borders look modern, and a very light shadow can add depth without clutter. Align elements precisely using Miro's smart guides and keep edges and spacing consistent from section to section. Organize content intentionally. Instead of scattering random sticky notes, group items inside the relevant frame and give each group breathing room. Keep ideas together, tasks together, and files or references together so you can find things instantly. Introduce icons and visuals sparingly. Emojis or simple icons work well. A clapperboard for video, a chart for analytics, and a calendar for schedule. Keep them small, neutral in color, and consistent in style so they support the content rather than dominate it. Create a visual flow. Arrange sections from left to right or top to bottom, then use subtle arrows to guide the eye. Keep line weights light and avoid overconnecting everything. Give it a dashboard feel with a progress tracker, weekly goals, and a content pipeline. Light grids, columns, or swim lanes can add structure without heaviness. Finally, polish. Align everything to a grid, keep spacing equal, and remove anything unnecessary. If it looks